In a world that's constantly evolving, staying relevant and competitive is more crucial than ever. This evolution is driven by one of the most transformative technologies of our time, artificial intelligence. AI has the power to shape industries, change the way we work and live, and open up new possibilities beyond our imagination. To be a part of this revolutionary journey and to thrive in the future, acquiring AI skills has become akin to possessing a passport to innovation. Before we continue, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn up the notification button to stay tuned to this channel. The AI revolution. Artificial intelligence, the simulation of human intelligence in machines, has come a long way since its inception. It's no longer limited to science fiction, it's embedded in our daily lives. In the business world, AI is redefining how companies operate. It's improving efficiency, enhancing decision-making, and creating new opportunities. As a result, professionals with AI skills are in high demand. The AI skills landscape. The AI skills landscape is diverse, and it caters to a wide range of interests and career paths. Here are some key AI skills areas that are shaping the future. 1. Machine learning. Machine learning is the foundation of AI, involving training algorithms to make predictions and decisions from data. It relies on extensive data sets, various algorithms, and has applications across numerous industries. Professionals in this field include machine learning engineers, data scientists, and AI researchers. Machine learning is ever-evolving, requiring continuous learning to stay at the forefront of innovation. 2. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP focuses on enabling computers to understand and interact with human language. It powers applications like virtual assistants, chatbots, and language translation. NLP specialists bridge the gap between human communication and computer understanding, working with multilingual and multicultural contexts. Challenges in NLP include dealing with language complexity and addressing bias concerns. NLP professionals can be found in academia and industry, advancing the field and developing practical applications. 3. Computer vision. Computer vision enables machines to interpret and understand visual information from the world, such as images and videos. This skill is essential in fields like robotics, autonomous vehicles, and medical imaging. 4. Reinforcement learning, paving the way for autonomous systems and game development. Reinforcement learning, RL, is a specialized subset of machine learning that focuses on teaching agents to make sequences of decisions to maximize a cumulative reward. This dynamic learning process closely mimics how humans and animals learn through trial and error, making RL an essential component in the development of autonomous systems and a fascinating field in game development. Why AI skills are your passport to innovation? Endless opportunities with AI. AI's versatility is applicable across diverse industries, including healthcare, finance, entertainment, agriculture, and more. It drives innovation, optimizes processes, and improves services, making it a powerful tool for professionals with AI skills. Problem-solving and innovation. AI skills empower individuals to tackle complex problems and automate tedious tasks. AI's ability to process data, drive data-driven decisions, and personalize experiences fosters innovation and enhances efficiency, freeing up human creativity and expertise. High demand for AI talent, a competitive pursuit for skilled professionals. The AI job market is experiencing an extraordinary demand-supply gap. There's a scarcity of qualified AI professionals, driven by the rapid growth of AI applications across various industries. In response, companies are willing to pay premium salaries to attract and retain AI specialists, recognizing the competitive advantage AI expertise offers. This high demand is fueling significant investments in AI initiatives, fostering global collaboration, and transforming the way businesses operate. The race for AI talent underscores the critical role AI skills play in shaping the future of work and innovation. Future-proofing your career. AI is not a passing trend, it's here to stay. Investing in AI skills ensures your career remains relevant and resilient in a rapidly changing job market. Innovation Hub. AI professionals are at the forefront of technological innovation. They are creating solutions that change the world, making a profound impact on society. Getting started. If you're excited about the prospect of AI skills being your passport to innovation, there are many ways to get started. Online courses. Numerous online platforms offer courses in AI, machine learning, and related fields. Websites like Coursera, edX, and Udacity provide comprehensive programs. University programs. Consider pursuing a degree or certification in AI from reputable universities. Open source projects. Contribute to open source AI projects to gain hands-on experience. Hackathons and competitions. Participate in AI competitions to test your skills and learn from experts. Networking. Attend AI conferences, webinars, and meetups to connect with like-minded individuals and industry professionals. AI skills are the gateway to a future where innovation knows no bounds. The applications of AI are limitless, and those who acquire the skills to harness its power will be at the forefront of driving change, solving global challenges, and shaping the world as we know it. So, whether you're a student, a professional looking to upskill, or an industry veteran, there's no better time to start your AI journey and obtain your passport to the future of innovation. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.